So, the 1x1 wireless bell chime with 36 different melodies. So, this is the plug-in version, by the way. You can also get a battery operated version. And as you can see on here, we've got 3 buttons. This one here is the code to set it with your bell push so your neighbours don't answer their door when there's somebody ringing your doorbell. This second one here is for changing the melody volume, and this switch here sets it for just sound, flashing LED which is here, or a combination of both. So let's have a listen, shall we? Number 1. I'm not going through all 36, by the way. Oh, that sounds good. Christmas, ho ho ho! That's with the light on, so if I change this, we'll just hear it. There you go, light's gone off. This is the volume, maximum volume, middle and low. Rudolph. Old Lang Syne, playable once a year. Happy birthday, now we're getting somewhere. Greensleeves, supposedly written by Henry VIII. Moving swiftly on. Oh, that's better. One more. Oh, there we are. I think those last 2 will prove most popular. And that's it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.